everything must come to an end. Our holiday's finished, and we've done some amazing things and saw some amazing things. And Bali, well, I tell you what, I'm coming back. I feel so relaxed. People are beautiful. Service in the hotels and that, they go over and above and beyond. No, I'd just like to say thank you to my son James and Nadine, my daughter-in-law, for organising these tickets for us to come on holiday. Otherwise, I don't think we would have done that, but much appreciated. Love yous both. And my friends Martin and Marissa for showing us and keeping an eye on us and being our carers, as we say. So big thank you to them too for coming along and keeping an eye on us and guiding us through. So we had a really good experience. If you do come to Bali, make sure you do come with someone else that's been here before, just so they can steer you in the right direction. But anyway, look guys, we've had a great time, and I hope you enjoyed my videos. So just how about giving us a thumbs up, a share, and you'll see my next adventures, which will be on a motorcycle. I'll give you that on the old electric light. All right, take care people, love yous all, and take care. And I already said take care, I'm a stupid old fart. All right, bye bye for now.